In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a VPN on your Fire Stick. If you're someone who loves streaming with your Fire TV stick and wants to either access more content libraries or maintain privacy while abroad, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk you through the entire process step by step, and by the end, you'll have a VPN running smoothly on your device. First, you need to choose the right VPN for your Fire TV. Not all VPNs are compatible with Firestick, so it's essential to select one that will work seamlessly. Some of the top choices for 2025 include NordVPN, Surfshark, CyberGhost, and ExpressVPN. These are well reviewed for their compatibility and ease of use on Fire TV devices. Choosing the right VPN sets the foundation for a flawless streaming experience, ensuring that you're always protected and have access to all the content you desire. Before diving into the installation, it's important to verify the version of your Fire Stick. VPNs are typically compatible with models such as the Fire TV Stick 4K, Fire TV Cube, and the second generation Fire TV Stick. If you have an older model, you'll want to double check that it can support VPNs to avoid any potential issues down the line. Being sure about your device's compatibility will save you time and prevent frustration. Now, onto the installation methods. There are three main ways to get a VPN running on your Fire Stick. The first and simplest method is through the Amazon App Store. Begin by navigating to the search function on your Fire TV. Here, type in the name of your chosen VPN. Once you find it, download the app, log in using your credentials, and connect to a server of your choice. This approach is straightforward and user-friendly, making it ideal for most users. For those VPNs that aren't available in the App Store, you'll need to use the APK method. Start by going to Settings, then My Fire TV, and finally, Developer Options. You need to enable apps from unknown sources. With that done, install the Downloader app. Enter the APK URL for your VPN, download, and install it. Once installed, open the app, sign in, and connect to a server. This method requires a bit more technical know-how, but is a great option if you're looking to use a VPN not listed in the App Store. Finally, the router method is another great alternative. Set up the VPN directly on your Wi-Fi router. Once completed, your Fire Stick will automatically go through the VPN without needing any extra apps or additional setup on your Fire Stick itself. This is perfect for those who have multiple devices they want to secure under one VPN connection. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily install a VPN on your Fire Stick in 2025. Whether you're in it for the extra privacy or the expanded content options, having a VPN will enhance your streaming experience by leaps and bounds. Thank you for watching, and happy streaming.